Hi friends, this is Iqra. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will elaborate on the evidence of acid rain in the Holy Quran, so let's start. Large explosive volcanic eruptions eject water vapor and can cause acid rain. The concentrations of different volcanic gases can vary considerably from one volcano to the next. Water vapor is typically the most abundant volcanic gas, followed by carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. Other principal volcanic gases include hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen chloride, and hydrogen fluoride. Large, explosive volcanic eruptions inject water vapor, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen fluoride and ash, which is a mixture of pulverized rock and pumice. It is released into the stratosphere to heights of 16 to 32 kilometers above the Earth's surface. The most significant impacts from these injections come from the conversion of sulfur dioxide to sulfuric acid, which condenses rapidly in the stratosphere to form fine sulfate aerosols, which then comes down as acid rain. This was known recently, however this was portrayed in the Quran 1400 years before it was discovered. In the story of the Prophet Lot, a volcano showered them with pumice and rain. Quran says in chapter 15 in verse 74, and we turned it upside down, and rained down upon them stones of pumice. On another occasion Quran says in chapter 26 in verse 173, and we rained down on them a rain. Dreadful is the rain of those forewarned. Dreadful is the rain. Today we know why it is dreadful. It is acid rain. How could an illiterate man who lived 1400 years ago have known about dreadful volcanic gases? Quran surely is a wonderful miracle of Allah Almighty. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.